nilang ipababa yung presyo. I understand you're supposed to issue an EO also about this. When
Wala pa
are
ako
we
na
expecting this?
ipabasa. No, wala pa. Hindi pa dumating sa akin. Kung dumating man, hindi ko pa nabasa.
Okay.
Ganyang kakapal yan. 2 days lang. I said, I read it. That's why it takes time. I did, kasi yung iba, hindi ako, I'm not trying to attribute it to anybody. Yung iba sa akin, pag initial na, wala na sila. No, I do not do that. Baski na may initial, umikot na yan dito, pagdating sa akin, babasahin ko yan. So that I know what I'm signing.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Last question, Mr.
No?
President. Joyce?
It's still early, it's only 11.
Good evening, sir. Sir, kamusta na po ang inyong kalusugan? Were you able to rest these past few days?
Nakita ka na isang tindig na